Working in a Visual Studio C++ project and ran into RC2 resource files, these contain custom resource definitions that don't get auto-modified by the IDE. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Visual Studio Resources files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an RC2 file. Here's a sneak peek. RC2. Files are resource script files used in Microsoft Visual Studio C++ projects to define custom resources that should not be modified by the Visual Studio Resource Editor. They store custom dialog templates, string tables, version information icons, and other Windows resources requiring manual maintenance outside the IDE. RC2. Resource files use the Microsoft Resource Compiler script syntax with C-style preprocessor directives, resource type identifiers, and binary data references. The format is identical to standard RC files, but the RC2 extension signals to Visual Studio that the contents should be preserved verbatim during automatic resource editor operations. Microsoft Corporation defined Microsoft Visual Studio as the main handler for RC2 files. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows cannot interpret scripting languages automatically, requiring the proper toolset. Your most crucial first action is the file association test. Right-click the RC2 file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If your RC2 file will not open yet, do not panic. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific RC2 error occurs on most Windows systems. First, editing in Visual Studio. Open your Visual Studio C++ project and locate the RC2 file in Solution Explorer, typically under Resource Files. Right-click and choose Open. Then select C++ Source Code Editor or Source Code Editor with encoding. Edit the resource definitions directly using RC syntax, then save and rebuild your project. Next, editing in Text Editor. Open the RC2 file in any text editor, such as Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code, which provides syntax highlighting for resource scripts. Modify resource definitions, add new resources, or update existing entries following Microsoft Resource Compiler syntax. Save changes and recompile your Visual Studio project to incorporate the updated resources. Finally, compiling resources. During Visual Studio, build the resource compiler .exe processes, both RC and RC2 files, generating compiled RES output for linking into the final executable. To manually compile, run rc.exe followed by your RC2 file name from a Visual Studio developer command prompt to test resource changes before full project rebuilds. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.